Magandang Tuesday sa inyong lahat. 3 days na lang, Pasko na. Welcome sa December 22, 2020 edition ng The Stock Market Today. Ako po si Benji Chidoro, nag-aanyaya na samahan ninyo ako at sabay nating tignan ang pinakalatest na balita tungkol sa ating national budget, ang resulta ng trading sa PSE, lahat ng yan dito lamang sa Tuesday edition, December 22, 2020 ng The Stock Market Today. Bago pong lahat, basahin po muna natin ang ating mga reminders at disclaimers. At habang binabasa po natin ito, kung first time niyo po dito sa ating channel, ay nag-start po ako magbigay ng daily stock market report noong August. I invite you to subscribe to my channel so you will always be updated with the latest news and information on the stock market and the most active stocks in the PSE. I am a retired employee of one of the Philippines' largest banks. I was also an OFW when I was assigned to our branch in Hong Kong as head of compliance. Mga 8 months din po akong namalagi sa ibang bansa. And after that, I was assigned through the grace of God as Chief Compliance Officer of a bank subsidiary. Since early 2000, I started investing in UITFs, and a few years later, I started investing in stocks. I review the most active stocks in the Philippine market using technical analysis, and sometimes I add a bit of fundamental analysis. By the way, if you want me to review your favorite stock, please comment on the comment box below, and I will do my best to do the review. Ang ating breaking news ay mula sa Philippine Star. Delays avoided, Duterte to sign 2021 budget on December 28. Kalalabas lang po ito. President Duterte will be signing the 5.4 trillion budget into law on December 28 at his hometown in Davao, presidential spokesman Harry Roque said today. The signing 4 days before New Year breaks the past 2 years that the government was forced to operate under an old budget when the calendar year changed because the new outlay was not enacted. Delays were longer in 2019 when the budget was signed 4 months into the year. So that's very good news as the PSE declined again today, and let's see what will happen tomorrow, the last trading day before Christmas. And let's now take a look at the PSE. The PSE declined 22.5 points or 0.31% to end at 7,202.39. There was net foreign selling at 743 million. 203 companies declined, 39 advanced, while 33 remained unchanged. For the sectoral indices, only the properties registered a positive at 0.62% up or increase. The all-share index reflected a 0.84% decline. The decliners were led by mining at 2.44%, followed by the services at 1.67%. So now let's take a look at the most active stocks. Let's review today the following. Let's review DITO, BDO, MBT, Merrimart, SMPH, GTCAP, ACEN, Ali, SECB, and Converge. So let's now take a look at the first stock, DITO. Okay, DITO had a decline today of 0.05. Now there is this, our candlestick that we have here is a morning star. Let's check if that's a morning star. Yes, no, it's not a morning star. It's an evening star. So what happened is that it opened at higher at 841 and closed at 8.01. The wicks in between the body are indication that it traded a high of 8.94 and a low of 8.01. but it ended at 830. So dito continues to move higher and probably nagpapahinga lang yung stock, no? Because if we will draw a trend line, pataas siya. Pataas dito. Now, if you see a red candlestick here, it's confirmation that it's either consolidating or nagbago na yung trend. Now, if you see a green candlestick, so nagpahinga lang siya. So, if you see kasi two candlesticks here, followed by a green, nagko-consolidate lang yan. No? Parang it's creating a ladder. Now, if you see a candlestick na sunod-sunod na red, yan, baka either nagko-consolidate or nagbago na yung trend. In the meantime, the nearest support that I see for this stock is 7.85. So this is the key level that we have to watch. Next, let's take a look at BDO. Okay, BDO, another red candlestick. Now it's testing, actually it breached the support area here of 110, 111. So the next support level that we have to look at would be the 100 level. You can check out siguro first the 103 level. Kung nag-bounce dyan, then it is possible for the stock to move higher. Kasi the closing price is just below, it's just EMA 20. So that is the current price na nag-touch, no? The EMA 20 is at 108. It's ito 107.90. So it reached the support. And we can say that this is a support area, yung EMA 20 na 108. Ngayon, if we see a bounce the following day, tumaas siyang ganon. Then, it is possible na support and resistance lang ang laro. Because I have said before that in these times when it is about, the year is about to close, the stocks, majority of the stocks in the index would be trading within support and resistance. Okay, MBT. Okay, MBT gained today, but pero the candlestick is just, well, the opening price is almost the same as yesterday. So I would say that it is holding the support here, but the candlestick appears to be engulfing. And let's see tomorrow what will happen, because it appears to be moving up. And it should test the resistance of 52 there. So you see the stock, the candlestick is just right under the EMA 20, which is 49.24. And our resistance is 49.36. I would say our support is the EMA 20. So dyan lang siya maglalaro, just like most of the stocks in the index. Okay, Merrimart. Merrimart nag-decline naman. Actually, there was a gain yesterday, but nag-profit taking lang siya today. Now, as long as it is under the candlestick, as long as the EMA 20 is right under the candlestick, it will just probably move a bit higher or just sideways. So if we will draw a box, and we'll place the box here, dyan lang siya maglalaro. Now, the upper level would be the resistance at 6.30, while the lower line would be the lower border would be the support at 570. Now, when I say support and resistance, they are not exact points, but they are areas. SMPH. This is the mall business of SM. It continues to consolidate. Although this is a green candlestick, it opened higher and ended higher. So, ano din siya? Ang laro din niya dito is resistance and support. Diyan yung play ni SM and most of the stock in the index. So it's 39.80 for the resistance and 37.40 for the support. Now, as we approach year-end, you will find that the stocks would move a bit higher because most companies would try to perk up their share prices. In other words, window dressing. GTCAP. Okay, GTCAP fell below the EMA 20 today. And if you will see our RSI, it's below 50, meaning a bearish indicator. And if you'll see yung red candlestick, sunod-sunod siya, and it crossed over the EMA 20. And based on my setup, this is a sell signal for me. So the moment that it went down below the EMA 20 is a sell signal for me. The buy signal for me is here. If I were to trade the stock, I would buy at this level. Let's place dito. The moment the EMA 20 crossed the EMA 50, that is my buy indicator. And the moment the EMA 20 crosses the candlestick, that is my sell indicator. Diyan siya. So, pero wala akong GTCAP eh. So, kung ita-trade ko lang yung stock, ganyan yung gagawin ko. Okay? Now, it may test the next support level of 575 or 570. Mga 570 level ang next ang ita-test niyang support. 570, 571 level. So, tingnan natin, baka catalyst yung news tomorrow, yung news kanina on the signing of the budget because napabilis yung signature niya, no? Yung gawa. So, December 28 ang signing into law. Okay, ACEN. ACEN continues to move higher. And meron siyang stock rights offering. One share for 1.11 shares held. Pero, ano siya, no? The candlestick body is smaller, indicating a possible weakness in the stock. Although there is volume. So, abangan natin bukas, no? Kung anong mangyayari dito. In the meantime, the nearest support for ACEN would be 660 to 663. That's the nearest support. Ngayon, baka baka mag red candlestick to sa bukas or pwede rin tumuloy pataas, no? Kasi maliit yung body niya. Okay, next is Ali. Ali continues to move sideways, although this is a green candlestick. Tingnan nyo, pantay-pantay, no? It opened lower, closed higher. Then the following day, it opened a bit higher, then opened a bit higher. Puro green. Pero halos pantay-pantay siya. So if we'll draw ganyan siya. Pero puro green siya. No? Puro green yung movement ni Ali. So, tingin ko, dyan lang siya maglalaro. Yung kanyang support, which will be somewhere, actually, this is the support na. Tingnan natin, nasan siya? 42.21 and 40.15. Actually, we can take the support as the EMA 20 at 40. No? 40.22. So, malapit na rin yung estimated support ko. 40.15, 40.22 yung EMA 20. Yan. Now, it's supposed to bounce at the EMA 20, at the 40.20 level. Okay? And then, Ali, then SECB. Nag-Christmas shopping na ba kayo? Medyo maraming tao sa supermarket. Konti lang sa mga shops. I was in SM last Sunday. And ang dami Sabado, nasa Landmark kami. Ang daming tao sa supermarket pero konti sa mga shops. Yung department store, halos walang katao-tao. And Landmark, nakasale siya. Nakasale po si Landmark. And kawawa yung mga businesses ngayon, no? Because of the pandemic. Okay, let's go ahead with Security Bank. Uy, pababa pa rin to. No? Pababa yung trend niya. So if we'll draw a trend line, let's draw a channel siguro. Nakaganyan siya. Yan. Okay, so it's testing now the support level of the EMA20, 131.8. Now, if it goes further down, then the next support that it will test would be 125.50. So, yan yung next support kung lalo pa siyang bumaba. Okay. Then, the last will be Converge. Okay, Converge, sideways pa rin siya, no? So, if, actually, yung sideways niya since ano ito eh. Let's check. November, no? November 25, sideways na yun, na siya nag-move, and the EMA20 is just piercing through the candlestick. So, the nearest support would be 16, while the nearest resistance would be 15. Diyan lang siya. Yan po ang ating report sa stock market. December 22, 2020, Martes. Ito po si Benji Chidoro. Nagpapaalala, mag-ingat sa mandurukot at scams. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. See you again tomorrow, the last working day before Christmas. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay. Bye for now.